Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today, in conclusion of the law of attraction, we are going to review what are the subjects, what are the chapters that we have seen all through the series of law of attraction, and what are basically the benefits of the law of attraction exercises, manifestations, desires, and the visualization techniques. The law of attraction chapters that we have seen in this tutorial are the basic fundamentals of law of attraction. What is basically law of attraction, how law of attraction works, and what are the basics and the fundamentals of law of attraction is something that we have seen in the basics and the fundamentals. Then we have seen the process of law of attraction. What is law of attraction and how law of attraction can be applied for your life, for your success, for your growth, and what is the process that need to be adopted, that we have seen in the process of law of attraction. Then we have seen the daily practices. When we talk about law of attraction, there are a lot of techniques that basically people use to attract what they want in your life. Now, what are the daily practices that you need to use and implement as far as law of attraction techniques are concerned? Then we have seen the methods, the different methods that we have in law of attraction in terms of visualization, in terms of affirmations, in terms of manifestation of desires. Those things we have seen in the methods. Then we have seen how law of attraction can be used and applied in your professional life. What are the techniques that you can implement in your professional life to make sure that you grow higher up the ladder as far as your profession is concerned. Then we have also seen the techniques that can be used and implemented as far as your personal life is concerned. How your personal life can be improved, increased in terms of the positiveness, in terms of optimism, to drive that energy within you to achieve what you want. That is the law of attraction in personal life. Then we have also seen how to attract what you want in life. There are very simple techniques that can be used as far as law of attraction is concerned to attract what you want in your life, all the positiveness and eliminating all the negativeness. This is something that we have seen in this video. We have also seen how to manifest your desires. What are your desires? What are your goals? What are your objectives? What you want to achieve in your life, and how to manifest those desires so that you can achieve more of success in your life. These are the techniques that we have seen in this video. Then we have also seen what are the best exercises that you to use to attract what you want in your life. The techniques, as far as law of attraction is concerned, what are the best exercises that are available that need to be used and implemented to achieve more success in life. Then we have also seen how to use it for weight loss. Weight loss is a huge challenge for people all across the world, and law of attraction can be used and implemented to lose weight and actually help you improve your health. Then we have also seen what is positive parenting. In parenting, there are certain exercises, there are certain methods, there are certain techniques that law of attraction provides for positive parenting, so that you can actually help your children attract more positiveness in their early life. We've also seen the best guide as far as law of attraction is concerned, what are the techniques that need to be implemented, and how to attract and win people. A very important chapter that we have seen, how to attract and win people in your personal life, in your professional life, or even in your business. We have also seen how to control mind and body. The mind and body has to work together in synchronization so that you can attract more of what you want in your life, that we have seen in this video. How to replace negativity with positivity. We have a lot of negativity. People usually have, everybody have certain negativities. When things go wrong, things don't work, there are a lot of negativity that comes into us, and how to replace that negativity into positivity is something that we have seen in this video. And for wealth, health and happiness, how to attract wealth, health and happiness in your life is something that we have seen in this video. And in the end, we have seen the top strategies what you want to attract in your life. We have seen the advanced secrets, what are the most advanced secrets that you can use and implement in law of attraction, and we have also seen how to master your life by using the technique of law of attraction. It could be for personal use, for professional use, it could be to achieve success, health, wealth and happiness. What you can use, what you can do, what are the techniques that need to be implemented is something that we have seen in this video. So these are basically the top strategies, the top exercises, the manifestation of desires, the affirmations that you can use and implement in law of attraction to achieve what you want. I am hopeful that some of the techniques that are mentioned in these tutorials will definitely help you to make sure that you grow more and more in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.